With Simix, you can clean and shine at the same time. Never burnish again, never strip again. Cleaner, safer floors with less work. Here's an old VCT tile floor in a hardware store coated 6 months ago with Simix high shine ceramic coating. It has not been burnished since. It's being cleaned with Simix Multi-Surface Cleaner, Degreaser, Sanitizer, and shined with 3000 grit diamond burnishing pads on a 26-inch Viper auto scrubber. Here's what it looks like after 1 week of cleaning. Here's what it looks like after 2 weeks of cleaning. Dry burnishing costs a lot of money and sends dust everywhere. Stripping is expensive. With Simix, you never strip or burnish again. Start cleaning and shining at the same time with Simix. Go to simixusa.com for more information.